I really don't want to deal with right now. I think we're going to shift back over to this side where we've got a whole bunch of puzzles and a lot of e-waste. Just a silly amount of e-waste. A magnetic stir plate, because I thought that was going to help me with my resin stuff, and it didn't. But that's okay. I'm sure at some point it'll be useful. I'm going to tape the stir bars to the top of it, though. I have the one I used for resin stuff on the outside of the bag stuck to everything. Alrighty. So, got the stir plate there. And there was some resin on that stir bar, so give me 1 second to step out of frame. Deal with some isopropyl. If you do have a resin printer and you get any resin on you, it's not a big deal, but make sure you clean it off, because that stuff is really, really not good for you. So, have some high percentage isopropyl on hand so you can deal with it. And, yeah. You know, do the thing. Alrighty. So, we're gonna power supply. Script. We're gonna tape that to it too. Just keep the whole set together without having to worry about stressing the connector. It's very unreasonable to expect good things to come out of a resin exposure. Very unreasonable. You can be reasonably assured that it will be a bad time. Alright. Gonna grab another big box. And cannot lie. And we're gonna look at this guy here, which has some board games. It has a bunch of puzzles on it, but I think we're actually going to be giving most of those puzzles away to friends or local organizations, whatever the case is. Yeah, the big thing that we're going to have to be careful of is going, oh, that's not getting packed, and then not doing anything with it immediately. Like, okay, if it's not getting packed, where is it going? What are we doing with it? When can we be rid of it? Yeah, and I think a big chunk of this material is going to get put in our storeroom, and the stuff that's in our storeroom is going to get sent off to a storage locker. But oh no, punched a big old hole in that somehow. Oh well, should be fine. Shouldn't be a problem. Scan. Scanner-doodle-doo. Edit the tote. Basement. Packed. Name. Games? I guess? And then we can pull it upstairs and do the rest. As part of that, I think I actually have a games category though. No? Apparently not. We'll keep. That's okay. That's fine. Alright, cool. Alright, so we have a number of things that are not coming with us. We have a number of things here that will be. Like Lost Cities. Absolutely fantastic two-player game. Kind of a push your luck. How would I describe that? It's a push your luck adventure game, I guess, where you're basically both trying to collect. There's, I think, 5 colors, and they're incrementally counted. And you're both trying to collect more points. So you start an adventure, and you collect the point cards, and the more of them you have in order, the more points you get. But by starting the adventure, you have like the expedition costs, so you have to, try and get ahead of it. You can only have so many cards in your hand, so how much do you reserve holding on to just to make sure that you screw your opponent versus making sure you hold on to for yourself? Very good. Very, very, very good stuff. Lost Cities. Perfect. Alright. I don't think we've ever actually played this one, but it's a board game. Blind facts trivia playing cards. Sure, why not? You can go in there. Yeah, I didn't think that was gonna. Playing cards. Boop. All right. Started playing this one. This is a Where in the World is Carmen Sandiego, which also has like evidence journals and stuff. It looked really fun, and we straight up didn't get the chance to give it the full proper opportunity to show us. Save the board games, right? There's a bunch of puzzles over here that are not going to get played though, or not get saved. Lost Cities Rivals, which I think we've only played that one once, but that's okay. That's a whole bunch of miniatures, more miniatures, and actually no, that's not. Oh, unpainted miniatures. Cool. Good enough. Alright, we got IQ squares. Sure. I don't think we've ever used those, but sure. Oh, Unstable Unicorns. I knew we had a copy of this game. I knew we had a copy of it. One of our friends was saying how that's one of their games they play the most frequently, and I swore we had a copy. I just didn't know where it was. Well, it was down here. Not in the primary games library. That will get you every time. I am looking forward to the part of moving, which is like the finding of all the things that you can't locate anymore. I mean, technically we own Clue. I'll keep it for posterity's sake, but I don't think we'll ever play Clue. I don't think we'll ever do that. We have so many board games. Yeah, no, we are board game people. I already packed a really big box of board games from upstairs that I think had 50 or 60 games in it, which was about 2/3 of our library from upstairs, and then we got this one as well. Yeah, we have somewhere between probably about 80 to 100 board games, which, yeah. The funny thing is, it doesn't actually feel all that unreasonable to us, but I know a lot of people, board games is just, you know,